what we are doing is we are also integrating with Unity Catalog. What is Unity Catalog? There's a lot of, when you see the terms catalog, everybody's mind goes into like, oh my God, Databricks has a Unity Catalog, Informatica has a Cloud Data Catalog. What does it mean? Databricks Data Catalog is a overarching mechanism within the Databricks environment for data itself. So if you think about a Databricks SQL table, it's stored in catalog.schema, which is like a database, .table name. So where the underlying data gets stored. They do provide the lineage on the Databricks environment, but now with this Unity Catalog, what Informatica did is to integrate that Unity Catalog information into a catalog of catalogs. So what happens here is Informatica provides catalogs based upon at the enterprise level, whether you have it on-prem, whether you have SaaS applications, whether you have it on Databricks. By collecting all this information, customers can leverage the lineage from end to end, a real end to end, from where the data came into the enterprise, how it's being used for analytics. Everything can be governed and now provided with lineage. So those kind of important functionalities gets built with the Unity Catalog integration itself. And with Informatica's Cloud Data Governance and Catalog, we look at three pillars. One is risk and compliance. Every catalog in the world talks about risk and compliance because it's mandatory, it's necessary. GDPR, ISO policies, there are a lot of too many constraints that need to be governed enterprises so that the enterprise data is safe, secure, and available for customers. So risk and compliance is one. Next is data quality. Informatica's Cloud Data Governance and Catalog provides data quality dashboards and scorecards for customers to know what data, how it's being utilized, and how this data can be made available for their consumption purposes. And third but not the least is the democratization of data, where we provide a democratic way of accessing the data. When I say democratization, an analyst in the organization today, if you think about it, when they want to access the data, it is not a very easy one because they have to jump loops in terms of getting access to the data itself. So the Cloud Data Governance and Catalog provides a marketplace, an internal marketplace, where an analyst can request for the data, and if there are federated authenticated users, they get immediate access to the data itself. And if they are not authenticated for this particular data, it goes to the business steward where they get a workflow and then they approve it and then they get access to data. Along with these three pillars, we provide, and the Cloud Data Informatica provides profiling of data to understand what is your quality looks like, the impact analysis. So if you change the underlying parameter, where is the underlying parameter impacts the entire system in analytics, and also provides similarity clustering, business glossary integration, annotations, and certifications. Everything gets come together in Informatica Governance and Catalog. So that's the kind of catalog of catalogs behavior what Informatica's Data Governance and Catalog provides.